Oh! Well, so we have a train here at Stearns Road on the CSX Saginaw sub. Telegraph Road is a flashing yellow, but on this side of Stearns, it's a solid red. I've never seen that before. And it's just crawling. Oh, don't tell me. Are you kidding? He just moved just to set off that light. Yeah, well, where are they gonna go? Okay, then now they're going up. Sorry about the bright lights. In the video. Might not be a good idea to... Maybe we are in trouble because of where my dad is actually parked at. No, Daddy. This one here is like a 3-mile-long train. I saw the traffic light for the intersection of Telegraph Road and Luna Pier Road, a flashing yellow, so it's blocking Luna Pier. I believe either that. Next thing is, I won't be surprised if he blocks this road, which is what I'm hoping what happens. I hope it blocks this road. And unfortunately, the Telegraph Road traffic light went back at its normal setup signal now. Like it's gonna change back and forth. Like now it's a regular yellow. Oh, not now. Maybe when we have a train meet, folks. I was about to walk on the other side of the tracks. Thank you to my dad for letting me know that he heard a horn. There went the traffic light at Telegraph Road. What's it now, Daddy? Look at it. What is it now? Flashing what? Come here, Daddy. What's the light at Telegraph? Blinking yellow? Train meet, all right. Sort of. whoever is right behind me.
2 cars there, folks.
How come to make it a right? They should have signs saying no right turn. No way. There's way more room here.
Yeah.
This one is coming out of Toledo.
Right. And heading for probably Bedford.
No.
Bedford Yard.
No, it's heading up to Romulus.
Oh yeah, Romulus.
Hopefully, after the one here, he'll be on the move. And my hands are freezing.
And from Romulus, he goes on to Chicago.
No.
What? Boy, I got it all about stuff, huh?
Danny, are the daters loud here?
Yeah.
What is that traffic light behind me at off of Telegraph? What is it? Why is it flashing yellow, Danny? Can you hold this?
What?
I have my gloves in my
Where are you going?
Hey. Sorry about that, folks. I'm having my dad hold it for a second. I don't know how he's doing by holding it.
I'm doing just fine. What do you mean by that? I'm an expert. I got 50 years experience.
Okay. My glove is not really. That's my coat. Okay. Sorry about the shaking a little bit.
Sorry about the shakes. It's just a medication.
No, it's not the medication. See that lightning bolt button on the left?
Yeah.
Can you tap on it on the far top left? Okay, it's because I don't need it. It's like,
Not.
yeah, and it was like blinding the camera.
That's a long train, huh? Wow. That is a long train.
Okay. Yes.
more closer.
Man, this road is narrow, I'll tell you
Very
that.
busy, Phil. Very
How do you know that, by the way,
busy.
Daddy?
I can see, but it's very busy.
Here's the one that is sitting at like only 50 feet. I don't know why.
Clear this road, but people flying.
From the looks, it looks like we have a train at the NS tracks that is actually blocking this road. And he turned off all of his lights, so that's it.